Welcome back to Grow Rich, Grow Happy, all of my free thinkers. Today is that day. Today is that day, guys, where it feels like, at least it feels like, that we either put on our space suits and just get ready to step into a rocket and take off for the moon, or we put a bull run on hold just a little bit longer. I don't know what's going to happen. I don't have a election ball or a crypto ball, but I do know one thing I can see is that these two crypto projects that I'm about to talk about today are poised just to do amazing things whenever things do take off. I'm going to be talking about DIA, and I'm going to be talking about SPECTRE AI. The reason I'm going to talk about SPECTRE AI with this is because I'm actually using their dashboard to get a lot of this. This is the closest I can get to a crypto ball. Like, I can honestly see some things with this SPECTRE AI. And being that I am using their dashboard, their search engine, to peer into the future of DIA, I figured this was a better time as any to discuss the opportunity that is in their project as well. For all of those out there that in one of my Spectre videos, you actually talked about pricing being a concern. I have talked with the team, and that is something that they are in consideration and talking about as well. But I feel like that Spectre is right now is just at an unbelievable price for you to continue DCAing in, and I think DIA is at a even better price as well to continue your DCA methods. Anyway, with that saying, guys, we're gonna kick this off. We're gonna start with DIA, and let me jump over here. Because here we go with DIA, and the reason I want to talk about DIA because I want to talk about something that I'm seeing right now. DIA is costing 82 cent, guys, so it's down quite a bit, but so is the market in general, as our future in crypto kind of hangs in a balance of how the results go. So right now, I believe a lot of what's going on in the market, there's a lot of people just sitting on pins and needles. I don't know if we're going to get any buy the rumor and sell the news, but I do know that Bitcoin is already surging higher. So as I come down here, the thing I wanted to show you guys that I was looking at is right here. And if I turn this, what am I on? Okay, I got the sentiment on, and this is let me see something here. Let me turn that off. Okay, turn everything off and turn the sentiment on, and we look at this sentiment right here, this pink line, and it's up here. The sentiment price, it seems to be up there above $1. That's where a lot of engagement happens with DIA, and a lot of tweets and everything just really takes hold of the price and either moves it towards selling or buying more, which I believe is going to list. It's going to go way past that. But as I look at this, and I come down here, you can see their overall score. DIA has already increased. It's already at a 7.0. And I believe the important thing here to pay attention to is what they said. They said DIA's final sentiment score on November 5th, 2024 is 6.95, indicating a general positive sentiment. Technical analysis suggests a bullish trend, and that's what we all want to hear, supported by increasing volume, so it's building, guys, and positive price changes in recent days. The Twitter sentiment, which is always going off the chain, is 7.64, highlighting positive engagement and community excitement around DIA. The market sentiment score is 7.0, signifying a positive outlook based on market data. There's no indications of a possible reversal, which is what we definitely want to hear, guys. DIA appears to be making significant progress and building out its ecosystem and expanding its reach, positioning itself for potential future growth. And that, guys, that is, if your kids had a report card, this is not this is good. This is 7.0, but this is way above average, guys. We are doing very well over there. They're doing great things. So this talks about their current happenings, but the thing I was paying attention to, guys, and this is what we want to watch. Come down here. Love their TA. You come down here, and right here, the EMA 200. 0.54 you see here, the price is currently trading above the 200, suggesting potential long-term bullish trend. And I say all that to say now's the time to be accumulating these particular type of tokens for your future, because if you look at what we have right now just in the market, we're waiting on this election to be over. We are waiting, and I guarantee, to especially the way things are right now, you're going to get a reaction one way or the other. You're going to get a reaction. I don't know whether it's positive or negative. There's going to be a reaction after this market, after this election. So you want to make sure you're on the right side of things. Okay, guys. Now let's continue down, because this supply zone is what I'm looking at between $1.09 and higher. They say the supply zone is between $1.09 and $1.20. The current price is below this zone, which it is, indicating a potential for further upward movement. However, the asset may face resistance as it approaches this level, because as it approaches that level, people could want to sell. So we go down here to this demand zone, and I want to take you guys up here, and this is demand zone right up in here between 32 cents and 62 cents. They're saying that the demand zone is between 32 and 62. The current price is above this zone, because we're sitting at 82, suggesting a potential for a continued upward movement. However, a drop below this zone could signal weakness and the potential downward trend. And I don't see us dropping below that, just based on everything that I just read you with our current report card, and most important, the sentiment of things right here with the sentiment. I feel like, with that being said, that Dia is in a really great position. Actually, there was one more thing I wanted to show you guys about this. Let's jump back over here. Let me jump back over here right quick. All right, here we go. All of their partnerships. I was reading this. All of their partnerships right now that's going on, guys, is just crazy. And I believe that, again, that is one of the bigger catalysts, as well as our future plans and our potential price catalyst. And I'm sure this is one a lot of people want to see. You want to see what could push us into the stratosphere, and or at least above where we are right now. And they say several factors could potentially drive Dia's price upward. The upcoming launch of LaserNet in Q1 2025, that could be a significant catalyst. The launch of Genesis Dia staking may also encourage user participation in token demand. I already know that one is going to be major. Continue integration with prominent DeFi platforms and projects will strengthen Dia's position as a leading data oracle provider. Expanding into new blockchains and markets will further increase Dia's reach and relevance. And I think, guys, that's a positive report card. That you couldn't ask for more. And as a guy with boys who are in school, and their report cards, as it's a struggle, bumping heads about report cards. Me reading something like that would be like, now this is what I'm talking about. You have not only potential, but you're going to reach that A status. And that's what I believe we got with Dia and all of their partnerships. And what I love the most, again, is the community, because you have a community that has Dia already on their back and they refuse to let it fail. So these are the things you want to see when you're investing. Because sometimes, and if you ever want to see the power of communities, just look at what a community can do to something as as with no utility as a meme token. A community can put it on their back and they can say, we're going to create millionaires, period. So why wouldn't it be the same for something that has true utility behind it? Why wouldn't it be the same? Why couldn't the community do the exact same thing? So that's another reason that I like to hold on to tokens like this, and I believe they have a bright future in crypto and the crypto market. Which takes me back to one of my favorites, and we're going to talk about Dia, right? Not Dia, but we're going to talk about Spectre right now as I'm using their platform. And guys, if you haven't tried their platform, I highly suggest you do so. You can do it free. But the one that I'm actually using right now, I'm using because I have 2,000 right here. I have over 2,000 Spectre tokens, but I'm using 2,000 to power my version of the search engine, so I can bring you that informative information on with the technical analysis. But Deal right now is like trading at like $1.60, guys. You can't beat that. So it's a little bit cheaper to even get 1,000 tokens. And I know for a lot of people, 1,000 tokens is not a drop in the bucket. But if you can get something like that, I just think this is not financial advice, but I think that would be one of the best decisions you made as I continue. Thankfully, being in the Telegram groups and listening and watching what's going on with this project, this team that's on this project, guys, they are incredible. They are incredible. They're very receptive to criticism or things that people find could use some polishing. They're on it just like that, guys. So they're very responsive to the community. And when you have a project that's going to be pushed out to everyone to use and benefit them as traders, you want someone. You want the devs and the people working on a project to be responsive, because it is going to be something that the community can use. So I love that. But I look here, guys, and we look at their sentiment as well. And the Spectre AI, let me turn this on. Let me turn this on. All right, here we go. And their sentiment really breaks in right up here above this $2 spot. But from everything I was looking at with the TA, that could also be a spot where people start to sell off. But look at this; they got a great report card as well at a 7.2. So they're doing definitely good. This is their current happenings that's going on. Just like I said with Dia, the price of Spectre has been fluctuating over the past 30 days with a significant price increase of 23%, guys, on October 26th and a subsequent decrease of 13% on October 30th. The volume has also been volatile, reaching a peak of 7.41 million on October 29th. The RSI is currently 46, indicating that the asset is neither overbought nor oversold, which is great, and the MACD is positive at 0.0054, suggesting that the price may continue to rise. So these are the things we want to see, guys. And again, they're working with partnerships as well. Official launch partner for the Zig Chain Wealth Generation Quest. And I love the wealth generation word, period, because that's what we do on Grow Rich, Grow Happy. We're following the breadcrumbs of wealth, guys. That's what we do. Potential catalyst. Again, based on the data, there appears to be potential reversal in price with a reversal signal of -1 on October 10th and a reversal signal of 1 on October 15th. This indicates that the price may be changing direction. And that was then, guys. So these are the things we're looking at with these guys here. And one day, again, uh, this is our our 200 score at a $1.3079. The current price is slightly below the 200, suggesting a potential bearish bias. However, the price is relatively close to the 200, which could imply a possible breakout in either direction. So I look at that, guys, and I look at that and I say it depends. Again, is your glass half full or is it half empty? My glass is half full. I'm using their product. I'm using it and I absolutely love it. Again, it is what I use, actually, what I've been using to check out on Dia and kind of get that snapshot, synopsis of what's going on in the market. And then I like to use it on itself. So it can do the same thing for me. I feel like it's great, especially for those of you out there using something like MARGEX. I do have MARGEX. Check out my code down below. And that's something I continue to play with on MARGEX, kind of see where I can make some money. And you got to look at the thing like this when it comes to both projects. They're in a great position, especially with today being the decision day. This is the decision day, guys, when it comes to the election. So I just hope your guys' bags are packed. With SPECTRE AI, they're continuing to work on things. You have the bubble maps coming. You have the AI Monarch. You have all of these great things that they're working on. You also have the mobile unit. I'm actually using that. I've already sent one to my iPhone. Those of you who have iPhones, you know how you can pin these type of websites to your phone. It's not the web product. It's not the shall I say the app for the mobile phone, but it's close. It's close enough. It shows everything that I need, and I absolutely love that as well. Again, guys, they are working on they are considering the price. And I tell you guys, when you guys tell me things about projects, if I can get to the developers and if I can get to the team, I pass that stuff on because I want to get you the most reliable answer that there is and something that comes straight from the horse's mouth. So with SPECTRE AI, those guys are doing wonderful things over there. I believe it's one of those great long-term holds. Guys, well, if you stuck with me to here to this point, make sure you smash that like button for both of these amazing AI products that we got, guys. But yeah, we're here. We're here, guys. So don't forget to vote, cast your vote because crypto hangs in the balance. To the next one, guys, you let me know. What do you think of both products or projects, crypto tokens, whatever they are? Tell me what you think of them and if you plan on picking more up of either. All right, guys.